Hey, happy Tuesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Today I want to talk about maybe a new source of parts in case you're thinking about a new desktop build or a big upgrade. Take a look at MicroCenter. It looks like they are trying to grow their online footprint selling you parts rather than, in-person sales at their sales centers throughout the country. Looks like they're trying to be competitive, so it's good to play them against Newegg or Best Buy or wherever you're considering ordering parts from to get the best deal possible. You may wind up having to split up. A few things come from MicroCenter and some come from Newegg, things like that to get the best deal. But I am seeing some competitive offers from them, so give them a try. Here at the shop, in case you want a pre-built or a refurbished PC, we have Windows 11 and Linux PCs. We've even got a little mini PC, a 10th Gen i5 with Linux on it. That thing's really zippy with Linux Mint on it, with DDR4, with 16 gigs of DDR4 and a 250 gig M.2. Nice machine. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for stopping by this morning, and feel free to head over to our YouTube channel to check out all our archive content over there. Y'all have a good morning.